Once you have created your profile, on logging in, Data Insights will load companies linked to your Sage profile. You can then select which specific companies you want to analyze, and what sort of insights you are looking for. Let's take Sales Quick View as an example. Once selected, you will be presented with a summary view of your sales. You can then utilize the various filters to isolate the specific data you are looking for. Behind every chart is the raw data, displayed in a concise table view. The handy clickable charts makes navigation fast, and multiple filter selection is a breeze. All charts are downloadable, as well as the full source data behind all the charts on the screen, for additional analysis, in a platform of your choice. Item sales can be analyzed in the same simple manner. And if you use analysis codes, you are in for a treat. You can interrogate your analysis codes into a variety of filtered, summary, and detailed views, right down to each line transaction over the lifespan of the use of the code. And of course, you can download the source data if you want. The pivot table and charts are where the real power of the Data Insights platform lies. Once you have selected your time frame, and which data you want to analyze, you have endless choices of how you want to pivot and view the data. Pivot tables and charts are not as scary as some people think. You don't need to be an accountant or data analyst to slice and dice your data, to provide the answers you want. Take some time to play around with dragging and dropping the various fields into the two different axes, and watch the data transform. Explore the different output options as each output type has its strength and suitability. Each output chart is downloadable as an image, making it simple to compile stakeholder reports, or additional documents. You'll never run out of insightful information or stop discovering new options. If you've tried all our default Data Insight pivot formats, and can't find what you are looking for, we'll happily work with you to create your own bespoke output report dimensions. As you can see, the default data is loaded, and you have full flexibility to determine the output you need. Open-ended iterations and endless sifting, sorting, and totaling of your choices gives you unbound freedom to explore. Shuffle your available data fields into the pivot chart to gather timelines, totals, and summaries. Swap the fields in the chart and see if the results you want are then easier to read. You even have a tabular type view, allowing you to explore even further. Key performance areas are vital for any business to manage, so you have access to the fundamental areas in a quick view layout. All data can be filtered and sorted by column heading, allowing you to mix and match your inputs. View different time frames, and use the filters down the left to summarize your data. Use the year-on-year sort and filter to see both positive and negative growth instantly. Being aware of sales rep performance is critical. Our Quick View KPI screen allows for an instant overview. Instantly view the number of new customers onboarded, the quotation count and close percentage rates, total invoice and credit note values. Extend the number of months being analyzed to gather longer insights. The more you explore your data with Data Insights, the better equipped you will be to grow your business. Don't hesitate, start your free trial now.